here back with you guys. Yes, पहले से ही मैं बोल दिया कि in every video you'll get some positive vibes from me. So what I'm going to you share, guys. Yesterday I went one temple. I noticed one thing there. One couples were shouting and calling with each other with high pitch of voice. And their attire, I think they were from good family. But one small baby boy stood near to his mother and he was crying like dying. And he just watched both her father and mother and he silently stood up near to his mother. So this is for all couples who is struggling with marital issues. I will share with you guys what, and that day what stopped in my mind. I will share with you guys. Who struggling with marital issues and have been told that bringing a child is going to resolve them. It's completely bad idea. It's a wrong decision. First of all, when a child comes to the world, it already adds some marital stress to father and mother. And second thing is, this is a great disservice to bringing a child to the world without pamper, without love, without care. What she has and what he has done. Mistake. What is their fault? Just think once. No, na, nothing, na? Yes. First change your mindset, first change your vision, fix your marriage, then after sort out all the things, take the next plan, a baby or and all. This is the first thing. And the second thing is, when I was at the age of 18, now I think you can guess the age from my face. But when I was at 18, what my parents taught me, I was doing opposite that. Why I don't know. Yes, some days now I'm realizing further. But what my elders and my parents taught me on that time, definitely I was going on the opposite direction. I never ever listened that things. ये एज का, yes, मैं तो शादीशुदा नहीं है, लेकिन बाराती तो बहुत बार गया. मेरा भैया भाभी बहन का बाराती तो बहुत बार गई. तो ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी. जो एज में ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड एंड मैं जो सब फॉल्ट किया, मेरा पापा मामा जो मेरे को बोल रहे थे, मैं कभी भी दिस लाइन में नहीं जा रहा था. ऑलवेज आई वॉज डूइंग ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन व्हाट दे टॉट मी. व्हाट माई एल्डर्स taught me, no, don't do. No. What they are telling, that is wrong. What I am doing, that is right. Is for what in my mindset, what that time in my mindset was that. Yes. But I can suggest something. Yes, I have a younger brother. He is at the same age what now we are discussing. As a parents of a teenagers, as a elder of a teenagers, what I will suggest you guys, don't be assume that just because of you have enforced something and treat your child is definitely going to obey you, your child is definitely going to follow you the same way as what you are telling to them. In fact, they will definitely do what they want to do. They will try what they want to try. Because of your fear, your child is going to follow the 4 ways and develop the nature of 4 things: deceiving, hiding, disrespecting, lying, cheating. So what you will get? Nothing, no? They will definitely do what they want to do. So what is the best suggestion? What you can do in that time? Keep your communication open. Stay calm and balanced. And third thing, important thing is, don't lose your coolness. Build the trust between your child and you. This 4 thing is very important. Yes, what I have came across in my young age, I have said with you guys. I hope it will reach out to you and your parents. Definitely. Do like, share and subscribe, guys. Again, I will back with you some positive vibes for you guys. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye.